Catalpa bignonioides is another plant that's actually native to Oklahoma. It's been used in the landscape here for a long time. Not so much really in the present day. You'll see it in a lot of older landscapes, but there are still people who plant this and who sell it. It's actually very tolerant of our conditions. It's extremely heat tolerant. It's used in desert plantings sometimes. It actually it has a little bit different look than some other landscape plants, almost a tropical look, because it has these really huge heart-shaped leaves and covered with these tubular-shaped flowers in the springtime. It's sort of a medium to large plant, 40 to 50 feet tall, almost as broad, very, very dense shade. These leaves actually can be up to 12 inches long. This is a very typical color, this sort of medium green, no teeth on the margin. It's a smooth margin, and they're actually kind of a soft texture, kind of hairy on the back side. There's absolutely no fall color to this plant. It is affected by the coolness and by the fading light fairly early in the fall, and the leaves just sort of turn brown and quickly fall off. The flowers are very showy. There's this white sort of funnel-shaped flower with a little bit of brownish purple and yellow in the throat. All over the plant in the springtime, it's sort of a once blooming show. They stay on for a couple of weeks and then they're gone. And then it's a perfect flower, so there's fruit produced on every plant. There's these sort of very long pods with sort of a dry seed in them, and they eventually split open. They start out green, and they eventually split open and release the seed. The pods can actually be, a foot or more long. The stems stay fairly green in the first year and then mature to sort of a brown. There's an opposite leaf arrangement here. Like I mentioned before, it's extremely tolerant of high pH soils, which can be a problem in central Oklahoma, very drought resistant. And then the bark starts out very smooth when it's young, but eventually matures to this kind of scaly, flattened scales on the bark.